viewers, welcome back to HABIB Health Hub, the space where we tackle essential topics to promote a healthy and balanced life. Today, we are delving into something incredibly important: mental health. Join us as we explore mental health check, recognizing signs and seeking help. Number 1. Recognizing signs. Let's start by recognizing signs that might indicate a need for mental health support. Changes in behavior, mood swings, and alteration in daily habits can be key indications. Pay attention to feelings of persistent sadness, anxiety, or withdrawal from activities you once enjoyed. Changes in sleep pattern, appetite, or difficulty in concentrating could also be a red flag. Number 2 is a self-reflection. Self-reflection is a powerful tool. Take a moment to check in with yourself regularly. How are you feeling? Are there recurring thoughts or emotions that need attention? Journaling or even discussing your feeling with a trusted friend can help bringing awareness to your mental state. Number 3. Destigmatizing mental health. It is crucial to break the stigma surrounding mental health. Seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Let's create an environment where open conversation about mental health is encouraged. Share your experience, listen without judgment, and be a source of support for those around you. Number 4 is seeking a professional help. If you notice persistent signs or feel overwhelmed, seeking professional help is a proactive step towards betterment mental health. Psychologists, therapists, and counselors are to provide support and guidance. They can help you navigate your thoughts and emotions in a safe and confidential space. Number 5 is building a support system. Building a support system is very crucial. Surround yourselves with the people who uplift and understand you. Lean on friends, family, or support groups when needed. A strong support system provides a sense of belonging and care peace to your mental health journey. Conclusion: taking care of our mental health is an ongoing process. Recognizing signs, fostering self-reflection, and seeking help when needed are essential steps on this journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe and give us a thumbs up. And remember, you are not alone. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.